unboxing video. Like, subscribe. Okay, so what BattleBots are, what these HEX BattleBots are, they have magnetic pieces that they stick to them, and then you use your remote controls right here, and they just battle to the death, you know, that kind of thing. Now, I have an arena for these things. I have 2 other sets, and they're awesome. Except for one that's called the beta. That thing's just not. So, yeah. We have the Broncho. This one's completely new. And the Witch Doctor. For some reason, they decided to remake this. So I'm just going to call this Witch Doctor V2. You know. It's like, come on, man. You only have like 4 other BattleBots. Can't come up with a different name. So today we have a knife here to unbox this. Tape. So we open the box and piece up just to get rid of this plastic here. Come on. Oh crap, it doesn't want to be cut. Okay. So we take this piece out, and now it's going to be easy peasy. Okay, this one. I don't know what that thing's still, why it's still there. Okay. Oh, there's stuff on the back, yeah. So here we are with the Broncho. You see these parts just go right in there. Now that looks honestly pretty sick. If I just say so. We gained this one? Okay. So, that's a lot of damage. And we have the Witch Doctor. So, here they are. We have the Broncho. It's going to be like that epic 3D view. And the Witch Doctor. Now, the way these pieces go on, they're not magnetic, but they actually, like, you pull them out and just, yeah. So, I think they're going to be a bit more durable than the other ones. So, you know, they might have a bit of an advantage, but we'll find out. So I'm going to get the arena. Okay, we set this stuff up. So we're testing out the Broncho right here. So here it is. So obviously these can move around, stuff. So how you turn these things on, there's a little power button at the bottom. So let's see what the attack is. Holy crap. So here we have the Minotaur, and the older one. See what it does. So, by the way, here's the original Witch Doctor. Here's the original one. And here's the new one. It's like the same thing. So here's the new Witch Doctor right here in action. So it has a blade at the front. So that green thing right there, it's pretty good. And here's the original one. Do we have the other one? For some reason they're on the same channel. See? Like, this thing is a monster. It's like the most OP thing ever. This one is, I guess, a little better than the old Witch Doctor. These newer ones are a bit better. Maybe they're made by like a better thing.